Hello and welcome to English Unlocked. This is Lesson 2 from our A1 English Test Series. Today, we continue step by step and focus on subject pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. This lesson naturally follows the verb to be. These two topics always go together and form the foundation of English. This is not an exam. There is no pressure. This lesson is here to help you feel more confident, to listen, to think, and to learn at your own pace. Before we start, here are the rules of the test. You will hear 25 questions. For each question, you will have 10 seconds to choose your answer. Please do not rush. Take your time. You will hear all the correct answers at the end of the test, after you answer all 25 questions. If you like, prepare a pen and a piece of paper, and write down your answers. Or you can write all your answers in the comments below the video. Good luck. Let's begin.
Question 1. A, he, B, I, C, they. Am a student. Question 2. A, she, B, it, C, he. Is my friend a man? Question 3. A, she, B, we, C, it are from Poland. Question 4. A, he, B, she, C, they. Is my sister. Question 5. A, we, B, they, C, it are at home now, you and I. Question 6. A, he, B, she, C, it is cold today, the weather. Question 7. A, he, B, she, C, they are my parents. Question 8. A, I, B, you, C, they. I'm very tired today. Question 9. A, they, B, you, C, we are my best friend, talking to one person. Question 10. A, he, B, it, C, she is a teacher, a woman. Question 11. A, we, B, they, C, you are students, my friends and I. Question 12. A, he, B, she, C, it, is my phone. Question 13. A, you, B, they, C, he, are very kind, talking to two people. Question 14. A, they, B, I, C, we. I'm happy to be here. Question 15. A, she, B, he, C, it, is my brother. Question 16. A, we, B, he, C, they, are at work today, my parents. Question 17. A, he, B, she, C, it, is very busy today, a woman. Question 18. A, we, B, you, C, they, are ready to start, you and your friend. Question 19. A, it, B, he, C, she, is on the table, a book. Question 20. A, I, B, you, C, they am from Ukraine. Question 21. A, he, B, they, C, it, are my classmates. Question 22. A, she, B, he, C, it, is very nice, my city. Question 23. A, you, B, we, C, he, are late today, talking to two people. Question 24. A, he, B, she, C, it, is my mother. Question 25. A, they, B, we, C, you, are ready to learn English. You and I.
Let's check the answers together. 1. I am a student. 2. He is my friend. 3. We are from Poland. 4. She is my sister. 5. We are at home now. 6. It is cold today. 7. They are my parents. 8. I am very tired today. 9. You are my best friend. 10. She is a teacher. 11. We are students. 12. It is my phone. 13. You are very kind. 14. I am happy to be here. 15. He is my brother. 16. They are at work today. 17. She is very busy today. 18. You are ready to start. 19. It is on the table. 20. I am from Ukraine. 21. They are my classmates. 22. It is very nice. 23. You are late today. 24. She is my mother. 25. We are ready to learn English. Thank you for taking the time to practice your English. Write in the comments how many answers you got right. You can also share how you feel after this test. If this lesson was helpful, listen to the next one here on English Unlocked. See you next time.